the availability of bed. No special arrangement is going to be made for you. I was impressed with it. And I thought what we did is working. What we planned is right. But I was in pain. I just requested him to make sure that it is available. And fortunate enough, it was available. I went to PKLI. When I went there, I was in bad shape. I shifted her to the hospital, to the ICU. There were professionals like Dr. Adil Manzoor. They just took charge of it. And in few hours, I could tell that, I could see that she is getting what is required. She was put on the right diagnosis. She was given the treatment. She was given all that machinery support which was required. And hours later, I saw that there were professional neurologists standing on her side. They were never there when I was in different hospitals. And I was not allowed inside. I had to wait there. I had to stop. I was told that no more visitors would be there. That is the common problem which we have in our healthcare system here. There's one patient and tens of visitors coming after and just storming the hospitals. So I can tell with absolute clarity that Dr. Saab, I have experienced and I am experiencing it at the moment. What you dreamt of is the reality today, and we as Pakistanis are indebted to your team and those who have come here to share their experiences. I wish you all the best of luck for your innovations. I just heard the Dr. Saab, who was giving an excellent